Today I have a door that's rubbing on the door jamb. I have an easy method to fix this, and all you need is a pair of pliers, a hammer, and a nail. So we need to remove this pin in the door hinge, but first you need to close the door. To remove the pin, grab your hammer and nail, position the nail in the center of the pin, and give it a couple of hits with the hammer. Alright, with the top one out of the way, time to move on to the middle hinge and take out this pin. Quick tip, since I'm adjusting the alignment of the top of the door, only remove the top and middle pin. With the pins removed, take a shim and use it to create space between the door and the door jamb. Now moving over to the door hinge, we have an idea of the adjustment required. In this case, I have to adjust the alignment of the door hinge attached to the door frame. Alright, time to grab the pliers and apply pressure to the door hinge that's attached to the door frame and give the hinge a little bend. Continue to apply pressure until you're happy with the alignment. Moving on to the middle hinge, grab the pliers and start the process on this hinge, and you can see it actually bending the hinge and creating the desired alignment. Time to insert the pin and make any last minute adjustments. Alright, time to test the door out. Make sure it's not rubbing anymore, and this looks great. A few minutes, easy DIY project. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.